There are two types of natural hair girls, those who can finish their hair in 2 hours and those of us who say, let me quickly do my hair and the next thing we know it's dark outside. Natural hair really said, clear your schedule, babe. Guess which team I'm on. Anyway, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how I go from shrinkage to juicy two-strand twist. And trust me, this might just become your next favorite protective style. First things first, my hair is freshly washed, so yes, the shrinkage is doing what it does best, lying to everybody. But look at this. This is officially my 2-year length check, and my hair is actually past my shoulders. I am so proud of this growth journey, guys. Look at that. Hi guys, if you're new here, my name is Kiki, and on this channel we talk all things fussy hair, DIY treatments, and simple hairstyles that actually work. To make life easier, we are starting by sectioning our hair into 4 sections because, as you know, I absolutely love working in sections. Trying to do 4C hair all at once, whew, that's not me, that's not my ministry. Before I start working on my hair, I first of all moisturize. This is done by me lightly spraying some water, then going in with my Cantu conditioning cream. It's amazing for natural hair. It leaves your hair feeling so soft, and I am not promoting their product. Next, I go in with my homemade aloe vera oil. If you haven't watched how I made this oil, I'll link it above because yes, you can absolutely make your own oil at home. I make sure to apply to both my roots and my tips. They both deserve love. One is the youngest, the other one is the oldest. Yeah. After that, I gently comb through my hair. One thing about 4C hair or natural hair is that if it's moisturized, it becomes so much easier to work with. Look at that. Already feeling soft, manageable, and ready for twisting. Before we start twisting, I'm also going in with my Sedoso styling gel. It's a super hold gel, which is actually written non-flaking, but it actually flakes. Okay, maybe it's because of the number of products I was using. Anyway, so I apply a generous amount to the section, then I add a little more as I part each twist. See the flaking? Yeah, but when it dries up, don't worry, it will dry up completely and you will not even notice the flaking. And just like that, we are on to our first twist. Yeah. Now, here's my little trick for the knit roots. Instead of immediately going into a 2-strand twist, I start with 3 passes of a 3-strand braid at the root. This helps secure the twist and keeps the root looking nice and neat for much longer. Then after the 3rd or the 4th pass, I transition into a regular 2-strand twist all the way down. By the way, if you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps my little corner of YouTube reach more natural hair girlies who are out here trying to figure out their 4C hair, one hairstyle at a time. Alright? We are on the 2nd strand and the process is quite repetitive. You start by applying your gel and then you do your 3-strand knot at the bottom. As you go up, change that into a 2-strand knot and then you continue all the way down. Something I would like you to notice is that at the ends, I let my hair do what it does best. That is coil. It's coily hair type. This is the type 4. I don't force it. Our hair is naturally coily, so I encourage it a little and let it wrap around itself. The best part, when it's time for a twist out, taking them down becomes so much easier. So you can actually do that when you get to doing your twists. Let's talk about why you might consider doing 2-strand twists on your natural hair. And the first reason is they are an amazing protective style that will help you reduce your breakage. The next one is they help retain moisture longer. Remember, our natural hair really craves for moisture. So, and I moisturized my hair as I started. You need to maintain that, and these are amazing for maintaining your moisture. Next reason is they are low maintenance. Guys, you don't break the bank having this. You can stay with them for 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I even see people staying for them with 2 months, 3 months. You know, they are low maintenance. Just wash them, make sure that you're clean, and that's it. Next is they help stretch your hair and reduce tangles. The hair will have shrunken further because of the gel, the oil, everything. But in actual sense, my hair it is in its stretched form, just that it is in twists. And last but not least is they give you two hairstyles in one. You girls know this. There is one that twists today, then tomorrow you can just do your twist outs, and you can be sure to rock them out if you want fluffier, thicker feeling of hair, because these ones will feel less. So I did the twist outs myself after 1 week. Apologies, I didn't show you that, but yes, you can do the twist outs from this hairstyle, and it looks so much beautiful. I mean, we all love hair that can actually multitask, don't we? So my question of the day is, how long do your two-strand twists last? Is it a week, fortnight, 1 month, 2 months, or you're not even sure? You just let them stay for the longest time until your hair tells you, we are tired. Anyway, I'd love to hear from you down below. For me, I usually keep mine 2, 3, or if it goes for so long, for 1 month, depending on how my scalp is behaving. If my scalp starts filing complaints, it's time to take them down. That's me. So tell me down below, what about you? I always say doing your natural hair takes a lot of patience, especially if your hair is 4C or this thick hair that is quite full in your head. It takes a lot of patience and a lot of you waiting. Anyway, now we are moving to the second session, and I know somebody is watching this and asking, Kiki, how do you do the back of your head? Honestly, practice. The back used to humble me, but after a year of doing my own hair, my hands already know where to go. It's muscle memory at this point. If you're struggling with the back, don't worry. One day you will wake up and realize you're twisting your hair, or even you're braiding your own hair while watching YouTube at the same time. Don't worry. Time will tell. Practice, practice, practice. And can I just say, I appreciate every single one of you that comes back to watch my videos. Some of you have literally watched me grow this hair from the beginning, and now we are here doing a 2-year length check together. Yes, yes, thank you so much for that. Shout out to you guys. That is special to me. If you've been here for the last 1 year, let me know in the comments. Thank you for being part of this journey from the deepest part of my heart. Anyway, I'm getting emotional. Let's talk about some facts about 4C hair. So, did you know 4C hair can actually shrink up to 75% of its actual length? I thought you should know. And the other did you know is that our hair strands are more fragile because of all the bends and curves. For my 4C girlies, this is why your hair actually is so fragile, even though it looks so hard from the outside. Then the other did you know is that 4C hair is one of the most versatile hair types. That is why we are able to do all these hairstyles, and they can last for long and long. And by now we are progressing on very well. We are onto the other half of the hair. I have already done some part of that, but I wanted to show you so that you don't say, I don't think she did her whole head. Anyway, yes, so we are almost halfway through. You can be sure by now I was super tired, but I am showing you that I am smiling on camera because why not? Anyway, someone will ask me how many twists should you do? Honestly, it depends on the look you're going for. I like mine on the smaller side because if I make them too chunky, my head starts giving the pineapple energy. And if I make them too tiny, I'll still be twisting tomorrow morning because it's a lot of hair. So we are finding balance today. Now, can we just appreciate how juicy these twists are looking? Look at this side compared to this side. Also, notice how the flaking is already reducing as the first session dries. I know my head also looks smaller now, but that's the magic of twist. All that volume gets tucked away. Guys, we are finally at the crown. The final three twist. Yes, yes, yes. The patience has been patienting me. If you've made it this far in the video, please leave a little black heart so that I know my real ones are here. Here at the center, I simply bend forward, use my rat tail comb, make my parts and continue twisting exactly the same way. One of the biggest myths that surrounds protective hairstyles and natural hair is the fact that people assume that protective hairstyles automatically grow your hair. I'll say this, protective styles do not magically grow your hair. What they do is they help retain the length, but healthy habits are what actually makes the difference. You cannot do a protective hairstyles and you're straining your strands and also pulling and pushing and combing with small combs and expect your hair to grow. And just like that, a few hours later, very, very tired, we are done. And yes, this is our final look. Can we all agree it's just cute? Yes, my hair looks very small, but I liked it. It's actually very cute. I absolutely love how neat and juicy these twists stand out. But let's talk about shrinkage for a second. When we started this video, my hair was giving lion's mane. Now suddenly my head feels significantly smaller. But that's the beauty of 4C hair. It stretches, it shrinks, it twists, it coils, and somehow still keeps us humble. And if you pull one of these twists down, you can clearly see the length is still there. Shrinkage is just doing overtime. To finish the look, you know me. I like to accessorize, so I try and hold everything together. Despite the shrinkage, holding it was a bit difficult, but yeah, we did the green. I was wearing green, so that's my look. I loved this. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, leave a word twist in the comments so that I know you are here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, guys, what are you waiting for? We've got mini braids, DIY hair treatments, twist outs, and plenty more natural hair content coming your way. So I'm linking two videos here, one on mini braids tutorial. You can go ahead and watch that tutorial, and the other one on how I do my braids at home. You will absolutely love them. So be sure to check them out. Until next time, take care of your hair, drink a lot of water, and remember, your 4C hair is beautiful exactly as it is. Bye bye guys. Kisses. Ciao.